Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Sakitech 360. In this video, you will learn how to create filter in Excel. Let's start. So first select the header cells. After selecting the header cells, you can go to the data tab and you can select filter, or in home tab it will be in the right corner. You can see sort and filter there. You can click there. Also, I am going to data tab and clicking filter. You can see the down arrow buttons. So, I created this table for an example to show you how filter works in Excel and how to use it. So, after clicking the down arrow button, remove the select all option and click on the day which you want. For example, I am showing like 30, and you can also select the season cell, again clicking the down arrow there, and you don't think that other cells are deleted, they are hidden. So you can see in left corner all the row numbers. There you can see after 2 6 came. Like that it will be, but those are not deleted, they are hidden. So after clicking season, there also you unselect all and click on spring. You can see the filtered month, day and season. Like this we can filter in Excel. In this video you learned how to create filter in Excel. In next video you will learn how to remove filter. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Bye bye.